For the descaling process of the Regina 90 coffee machine, you will need a 2-liter measuring jug, 2 packets of Bartscher Descaler B1530 and a spoon. First, pour the 2 packets of Descaler into the measuring jug, fill it with water and stir with the spoon until the Descaler has completely dissolved. Now open the lid of the coffee machine, remove the filter basket with the riser tube and pour the descaling solution into the machine. Insert the filter and lid and start the brewing process. After the process is complete, switch off the device and drain the water using the drain tap. Then open the lid and fill in 2 liters of fresh water. Carefully close the lid and start the process again. After the brewing process is complete, drain the water and repeat the brewing process with 2 liters of fresh water. After emptying the water, remove the lid and the filter basket with the riser tube and thoroughly clean the inside of the machine as well as the filter basket and riser tube. Once all the parts have been reassembled, the descaling process is complete. The coffee machine can now be used as normal again.